Today, we explore the interesting relationship between artificial intelligence and creativity. How is AI reshaping the world of art, music, and literature? Artificial intelligence has made significant strides in the art world. Tools like DALL-E, Midjourney, and ArtBreeder allow users to generate unique artworks from textural descriptions or blend existing images. AI is composing music. Platforms like OpenAI's MuseNet can generate songs in various styles, from classical symphonies to contemporary pop.
Machines hum whispers in the night.
In literature, AI models like GPT-4 Stable assist in writing stories, poetry, and even screenplays, pushing the boundaries of creative writing. The rise in AI in creative fields raises the question about the role of the human artist. Are these tools collaborators that enhance the creative, or do they pose a threat to the traditional artist? With AI generated art, issues like copyright, authorship, and definition of creativity come into play. How do we navigate these ethical considerations? As we've seen, AI is revolutionizing the creative landscape, offering new tools and raising important questions. Till next time, tot ziens.
Machines hum whispers in the night. Metal hands reaching for the light. Who's in control now? Tell me who. The wires tangle, but they feel so true. Artificial intelligence building a new world. Artificial intelligence, are we the masters or the herd? Eyes that see what I can't see. Circuits dream what I'll never be. Code that cracks the human soul. Are we climbing or digging a hole? It's electric, it's alive, it's the future.